Let's see what's in it. Open it.
Open it. What is it?
I don't know. A car. I knew it was some car.
Yay!
Yeah, wow, it's a red one. Look, Mommy.
Wow. What colour is it?
Red.
Is it a red mini beachcomber?
Yeah, a red Mini Beachcomber.
Is it a two-seater?
Two-seater, yeah. We're gonna drive in it.
You're going to drive together?
Yeah.